Next, I'm going to use a video to help you quickly learn the whole process of how to join BitNest and start earning money. First of all, we need to download a TP wallet. If we want to use a decentralized app, then we need to connect it to it with a decentralized wallet broad port. So open the App Store in your phone, search for TP wallet. Then download it to your phone. Once the download is complete, open your TP wallet to start creating a wallet account of your own. Here, we just need to follow the TP wallet registration instructions. So step 1, click I don't have a wallet to create a new wallet of our own. Step 2, set the login password. Here it is better to enter a password that is easy to remember. It can be a combination of numbers, letters, or letters and numbers. It's all up to you to enter a password combination that is easy to remember. After having finished typing, remember to click I have read and agreed terms of service in the bottom left corner, and then confirm the creation. Step 3. Snag the BNB Smart Chain in a single network wallet list. Here, since the BitNest is the smart contract built to run on the BNB Smart Network, we need to create a wallet with the same network properties to help us participate into the project. After selecting BNB Smart Network, set a name of our wallet. There's no special requirement, just fill it in as you like and click on Next to move on. Now let's continue. Step 4. Back up your memory words to keep your wallet safe. Here we can see the advice of the TP wallet. Use a pen or paper to copy down our memory words in the correct order and keep them in a safe place. Do not store or transfer our memory words over the internet. A memory word is a combination of a bank account and a password that allows you to access your wallet account as long as you have the memory words. So it's important to keep it in a safe place to protect your assets. We should also like you to follow the advice on how to save your memory words. Write it down correctly with a pen and paper. Now click Generate. And maybe take some time to transcribe it. When you're done, click on Verify Backup to verify your memory words. Make sure you have clicked on the words in the order in which we wrote it down. And after the verification is successful, we will have a crypto wallet of our own. Let's complete. Now we successfully have our own wallet, which will protect our crypto assets from any loss, because only we can control the system and the account. As we can see on the home page of the wallet, we can see that the only data displayed in assets is just the BNB token, which as the core token in the BNB smart chain. Also assumes the role of being the transaction rate unit. The BNB token is used to pay for transaction fees and smart contract execution fees on the BNB smart chain. This makes BNB a necessity for any transaction and smart contract operation on the network. And if we want to participate in BitNest, in addition to have BNB tokens, we also need to have some BitNest constant investment tokens, USDT, which is our main source of the investment expenses and income. Now we need to click on the plus sign to add USDT token in the BNB smart chain, which will add the token asset display about USDT BEP20 to our wallet asset display and help us manage our crypto assets more intuitively. Let's click. Now we can see USDT in the list of the popular tokens with the abbreviation BSC displayed on its icon. Find it and click the plus sign next to it to add it successfully. Once it is added, we can either swap the screen to the right or click the cancel icon in the upper right corner to return the wallet homepage. Okay, now that some basic setup of the wallet is done, let's start showing how to properly add BitNest. Click on Discover to access Wallet's browser page, which is the only part in the wallet where you can join the decentralized process. And step 2, enter the BitNest link provided by your mentor. Using the link provided by your mentor will also allow you to formally join your mentor's team, and your mentor will provide you with more detailed guidance. After you have successfully joined the BitNest, you will also have an invitation link of your own, which will help you bind your friends to your team and generate more income for you. Once you enter the link, click Go to the URL at the bottom of the box. The first time we join any decentralized application, we will get a security reminder from the TP wallet, which is the same security reminder that almost all wallets have. You can tick the Don't Prompt Me Again box and click Continue to visit. So the first thing we'll do when we enter the BitNest is not to browse the contents of the BitNest, but to click on the Connect Wallet in the top right corner. This is like registering and logging into our account. And once we have done this, we'll officially have an account to earn money on the BitNest. Click on the Connect Wallet. We'll bring up a new page to request the signature. The first time we enter the platform, we need to confirm our signature. A signature requesting security mechanism used to verify a user identity and authorize specific actions or transactions, but does not directly trigger on-chain transactions. When you log into the dApp, that dApp may ask you to sign a message to prove that you control the wallet address. This sign process does not involve any transaction fees because it does not perform any action on the blockchain. The content of the signature is usually a non-transactional piece of the information, such as the wallet address or the random string. Here we can see that the content of the BitNest request signature process is our own wallet address. After clicking Confirm, we need to enter our wallet login password, as we can see, which we set in the second step of the wallet registration process. Now set the password. So after entering our login password and click OK and confirm. Now we have a BitNest account. Next, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to BitNest. The first thing that comes to mind is the whopping 24 million number, and most people are wondering what that is. This string of numbers is a pool of the money in circulation in the BitNest loop, where users from more than 30 countries and up to 25 million in circulation are participating in the circulation. This not only represents that BitNest has earned the likes and trust of most people, but also represents the BitNest encouraging meets the needs of the financial market. This is one of the reasons why BitNest has been able to function for a long time. Keep in mind that it is not a gimmick, but real verifiable. By clicking on the string of the numbers, we can jump to the blockchain and see the transaction details of the BitNest Loop smart contract, where every single one of the circulation transactions is publicly available in the blockchain. It's the most basic place to identify a real smart contract project. Now let's back to the BitNest homepage. This time, clicking on the BitNest icon in the top left takes us to an introductory page about the BitNest ecosystem. In this place, BitNest discloses the number of the participants and the amount of the money that users continue to profit from here. Now let's scrolling down. We can see an introduction to the BitNest ecosystem. Here, we can learn about the origins and technical architecture of the BitNest as well as development philosophy. A blockchain project that can really run for a long time can be welcomed by the market. Having a top technical standard is just an admission ticket. But blockchain technology is open and transparent and can be replicated. What really drives the project to occupy a stable position into the market must be its development concept. As all we can see in the screen, any large organizations or enterprises needs to have a developed concept and can be supported by the public in this development. The power of faith is infinite. Only when the project has a development concept that people can accept and respect, this project will have the steady stream of the builders to promote it. Here shows the technical architecture and smart contracts. BitNest's vision is to be a new paradigm in the world of finance, minimizing the barriers to financial services and enabling anyone with any size of the money to participate and access financial services. Regardless of the status of geographic location, all people have the opportunity to participate in and benefit from the opportunities and convenience offered by the financial services. For the innovative application of the blockchain technology, we are committed to building a safer, more transparent and fairer financial ecosystem that guarantees the safety of of our users' funds and the transparency of their transactions. With features such as DeFi lending and savings, we help our users utilize crypto assets more effectively for stable and sustainable returns. We are committed to promoting financial inclusion, lowering the barriers to participation, and providing equal financial access to users worldwide. Moreover, we encourage community participation and common governance, allowing users to jointly decide the development direction and the important matters of the project, and realizing the concept of community building and sharing so as to achieve a more open and democratic financial system. Only through such a development concept that truly considers the users can it be recognized by the market and respected by the users. When we get involved into the brand new field, it is essential to have some basic understanding. We need to know that what we are doing in order to define our goals and what we are getting out of it. So let's scrolling down. We can see the BitNest roadmap. When the idea of the BitNest was born and what the BitNest ecosystem will be doing in the future are all shown here for all to see. Each of us is driving force behind the BitNest development as well as the witness to it. By looking at what is already happened and what is to come, we can better plan our own team building. Let's go back to the BitNest homepage and I will tell you about the most important feature and product in the BitNest for you, the BitNest Loop. When you enter the BitLoop page, you will see how to participate and benefits, which means profits, as well as a section on how to participate into the loop. For newcomers, the first thing we need to know is the profit introduction. So there are actually two ways to earn money in BitLoop. The first one is circulation earning. To put it simply, BitLoop provides 4 risk-free short-term liquidity cycles for us, and the profits we can earn in different liquidity cycles are also different. We start providing liquidity through the BitLoop smart contract. After 1 day, it will return 100.4% of the investment. After 7 days, it will up to 4%, and after 14 days, it will up to 9.5%, and after 28 days, it will become 24%. There are also examples in the platform to help us quickly understand how much money we can earn in different cycles of circulation. This is the easiest way for ordinary users to make money. Just participate in the circulation can get a stable profit return. You're using funds to participate in the BitLoop and getting different interest rates as our return or earnings in different circulation cycles is the easiest way. But for most people who don't have a lot of savings, it doesn't allow them to eat too much money in a short period of time. So we have second, share commission. BitLoop also adopts the advanced multi-level distribution system in the financial field to protect our rights and interests. It allowed us to build our own team and at the same time get generous sharing rewards. In the BitLoop smart contract, every participant can become a project initiator. They can invite new users to join and get sharing rewards. Users themselves earn an additional generation share reward for every additional 100 USDT in circulation. You will be able to earn up to 17 levels of sharing rewards. When you circulate 100 USDT yourself, you will receive 20% of the proceeds of each circulation from your one generation friends. When you circulate 200 USDT yourself, you will receive 10% of the proceeds of each circulation of your second generation friends. When you circulate 300 to 700 USDT yourself, you will receive 5% of the proceeds of each circulation of your friends from 7 to 3 generations. And also, all the others have shown in the graph. Every share reward will automatically go to the initial wallet address through a smart contract. Participate in the BitNest Project Partner Program through the sale of the BitNest to let more people participate in this project and get rewards. It is the main choice of the direction you want to achieve wealth freedom, and it is full of unlimited possibilities. Whether you are now poor or rich, is the most effective way to grow your wealth. And in our team, there will also be additional sales incentive for the best entrepreneurs and support. BitNest Loops provides us with 2 ways to earn money, both of which are based on the rules of smart contracts, and each our income will be automatically returned to our account through smart contracts. There is no artificial influence in this process, which is one of the most secure features of the decentralized project compared to the traditional financial projects. Every penny we earn here is run by the smart contract according to the established rules. There is no so-called CEO and program controller. Even the project is developed can change the rules of the smart contract after it's officially running. Everyone is a user with the same rights, and everyone can only follow the rules of the BitNest loop to carry out their own profit-making operations in the BitNest loop. Okay, now that we have explained the 2 types of the earning rules in the BitNest loop, let's go back to the previous page. There is more under earnings. Click more and we can see the introduction of the BitNest loop in the BitNest ecosystem, which explains the concept of the project in its core technical logic. We can also see the introduction of the BitLoop security and open source code of the BitLoop. This can let us more intuitively understand the BitLoop from technology to the concept. And as a decentralized project of some of the most basic standards. So these are all things you can browse through when you have the time, and strengthen your own understanding of the BitNest can only help us better building wealth through here. Next, I'm going to show you how to start circulating here. In the participant in liquidity section, we enter the amount we want to participate. Then select the period we want to liquidate. And click Start Liquidity to complete the basic authorization required to participate in a smart contract for the first time. Then we can begin our journey of our growing wealth here. The first time we start trading to participate in the circulation, we also need to convert the contract trading authorization. This is an operation that is common to all DApps, and if a so-called DApp lets you transfer money to any provided address when you trade, then it must be a fake DApp. And completing the authorization is the most basic operation we need to do in order to participate in the smart contract project. So, if you're worried about authorization will affect the security of your account, the solution is quite simple. Fill the authorization amount only with the amount quality of this transaction. This will not affect the security with other digital assets in your wallet. Once this is done, we will get a circulation order, and on the order page, it will clearly show us the circulation period and how much we can earn. And there is a countdown will always remind us where the circulation is over. At the end of the circulation countdown, our profits will also be automatically returned to our wallet account. Well, that's all there to teach you from the creation of your wallet to the start of your circulation. If you still don't understand anything, please ask your mentor by task for a more detailed and comprehensive explanation. Thank you for watching.